Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Parma ID looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Our expert window contractors in Parma ID specialize in energy-efficient window installation, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round while reducing energy costs. Many homeowners begin their improvement projects with window replacement Parma ID to achieve maximum results. Energy-efficient windows are a popular choice for residents in Parma, Idaho, offering superior insulation and reducing heat loss. Our team provides comprehensive energy-efficient window installation services in Parma, helping you save on utility bills and improve your home's environmental footprint. These upgrades work seamlessly with window replacement Parma ID to enhance performance. Double-pane windows are an excellent option for those seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. Our double-pane window services in Parma, Idaho ensure that your home is equipped with the latest technology in window insulation, providing a quieter and more energy-efficient living space. This is a highly recommended addition to any window replacement Parma ID project. Window installation is essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Our home window installation services in Parma ID address issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty hardware, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. These services are often paired with window replacement Parma ID for a complete upgrade. Vinyl windows are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners in Parma ID. Our vinyl window replacement services in Parma ID offer a wide range of styles and colors, allowing you to customize your home's appearance while benefiting from the low maintenance and energy efficiency of vinyl. Vinyl options are a popular choice for window replacement Parma ID. Window glass replacement is a necessary service for homes with cracked or broken glass. Our window glass replacement services in Parma, Idaho provide quick and efficient solutions, restoring the safety and appearance of your windows. This service is commonly included within broader window replacement Parma ID improvements. Custom windows offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's design. Our custom window solutions in Parma, Idaho cater to your specific needs and preferences, providing bespoke window designs that enhance your home's character and value. Custom options are often selected during window replacement Parma ID upgrades for added individuality. Window frame installation is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our window frame installation services in Parma ID address issues such as rot, warping, and damage, ensuring your windows remain secure and functional. These installations support long-lasting window replacement Parma ID results. Home window services in Parma ID encompass a wide range of offerings, from installation to maintenance. Our comprehensive home window services ensure that your windows are properly installed, maintained, and installed, providing peace of mind and long-lasting performance. These services are ideal for homeowners preparing for window replacement Parma ID projects. Window sealing is an important aspect of window maintenance, preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Our window sealing services in Parma ID ensure that your windows are properly sealed, reducing energy loss and enhancing comfort. Proper sealing is a key component of successful window replacement Parma ID solutions. Window maintenance is key to prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Our window maintenance services in Parma, Idaho include regular inspections, cleaning, and installations, ensuring your windows remain in optimal condition. These maintenance routines complement window replacement Parma ID efforts. Window upgrade services in Parma ID offer homeowners the opportunity to enhance their windows' performance and appearance. Our window upgrade services include the installation of energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and custom designs, tailored to your specific needs. These are often part of a full window replacement Parma ID plan. Window fitting is a specialized service that ensures your windows are installed correctly and securely. Our window fitting services in Parma, Idaho guarantee a precise and professional installation, maximizing the performance and longevity of your windows. Proper fitting is essential during window replacement. Parma ID. For top-notch window installation services in Parma ID, look no further. Our expert window contractors specialize in energy-efficient window installation, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Whether you need double-pane windows or vinyl window replacement in Parma ID, we have the perfect solution for you. Our custom window solutions in Parma, Idaho are designed to meet your specific needs, and they pair perfectly with window replacement Parma ID improvements. Window installation in Parma ID is made easy with our comprehensive home window services. From window frame installation services in Parma to window glass replacement in Parma, Idaho, our skilled technicians handle it all. We also offer window sealing services in Parma ID to enhance your home's energy efficiency. Our window maintenance in Parma, Idaho ensures your windows remain in top condition, helping prepare your home for future window replacement Parma ID upgrades. Upgrade your home with our window upgrade services in Parma ID. Our window fitting in Parma, Idaho guarantees a perfect fit every time, while our window insulation in Parma ID keeps your home cozy. Explore our wide range of window styles in Parma, Idaho to find the perfect match for your home. Our window glazing services in Parma ID add an extra layer of protection and style to your windows, perfectly complementing window replacement Parma ID projects. For those in need of window hardware in Parma, Idaho, we offer a variety of options to suit your needs. Our window caulking in Parma ID provides a tight seal, preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. If your window sash needs attention, our window sash installation in Parma, Idaho will restore its functionality. We also provide window screen replacement in Parma ID to keep your home insect-free. These services often support full window replacement Parma ID installations. Enhance your home's privacy and energy efficiency with our window tinting services in Parma, Idaho. Our window weatherproofing in Parma ID protects your windows from the elements, extending their lifespan. Schedule a window assessment in Parma, Idaho to identify any issues and receive expert recommendations. Our window consultation in Parma ID helps you make informed decisions, especially when planning window replacement Parma ID. Choose our residential window replacement in Parma ID for a seamless experience. Our energy-efficient window installation in Parma ensures your home is both beautiful and functional. Trust our double-pane window services in Parma, Idaho for superior insulation and noise reduction. With our vinyl window replacement in Parma ID, enjoy the benefits of low maintenance and durability. Our custom window solutions in Parma, Idaho are tailored to your unique preferences, making your window replacement Parma ID project truly exceptional.